Hello everyone, in this Unity tutorial I'm going to show you how to change characters or skins. So let me show you the result. So we start off with the cube, and if I want to change it to the sphere, I just click on sphere. And if I want to change it to the capsule, I click on capsule, and then I can also just switch around like that. Alright, let's get started. So in my scene, I have a plane which I called ground. I have an empty game object which I call player. Inside the player, I have the characters, which is the cube, sphere, and capsule. I gave a tag for each of them to use in the script. And I also gave them a material to distinguish the characters. So let's go to the script. I call this script Change Character Manager. At the top of the script, I use constants for the tags to keep it organized. And I use a serialized field for a list of characters, which we could drag and drop in the inspector. And then at the start of the game, we just want to enable one character. So in this case, I just want to enable the cube character and disable the other characters. And this method right here is the core of how all this works. So I call this method character change handler. I would pass in a tag and goes through a for loop of the characters in the list. And it's going to check if the tag equals the tag that we passed in. If so, set that character to true. Else, we just set the other characters to false. And here is the method that we use to assign to a button. So we could click on it to change to whatever character we want. So let's go back to Unity. So on the player, we want to put the script. And let's just lock this in the inspector so we can easily drag and drop the characters into the list. And there we go. And we just unlock that again. And now to save time, let me just copy and paste the canvas into it. So inside the canvas, I have an empty game object, which I call change character buttons. And here is the buttons that I made. So a cube button, a sphere button, and a capsule button. And I need to drag and drop the onClick function into it. So let me drag the player, which has the script attached to it. And we want to go to the function and click on Change Character Manager and click on the Change to Cube function that we created. And same for the other characters. We want to go here and change to the sphere function, and then drag and drop the player into it again and click on the capsule function. Now that's done, let's test out to see if it works. So right now we start off with the cube, and if I want to change it to the sphere, click on sphere. If I want to change it to a capsule, I click on capsule. And if I want to switch back to any other character, I just click on the respective characters. So that is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.